everything you see that is a thing is only a thing because you see it.
Get up, everybody move.
Hello, family. Welcome to episode 2 of Get Your Mind Right. Now today, what I'm really interested in talking to you about is how you can stay in harmony with what it is you want most for yourself in the world. Now, first of all, you have to know what you want most for yourself in the world, and it's very easy to develop this desire. And it's not, because when you deal with a lot of spiritual circles, you might hear that desire is something that you want to get rid of, and that's very useful information for certain trains of thought. But for right now, when I speak of desire, I simply mean what you want most for yourself in the world, and there's nothing wrong with having desire in this way when you're not losing yourself in it. Okay, so first of all, I want to empower you by saying that there's nothing wrong with having a deep desire, a burning desire to see the world and to live in a world that best serves you and serves the greater, right? Serves everyone. Win for you, win for others, and win for the evolution of the universe. So once you have developed this burning desire, a way to stay in harmony is to realize the infinitude, the infinite nature of your own imagination. You see, your imagination is unconceivably powerful. It literally shapes what you see, what you hear in your world. Your imagination could be a synonym for your world. And that includes your environment world, the world on this side of the eyes, and your inner world. Because I want to tell you something very powerful about yourself that you should never ever forget, which is the fact that everything you see that is a thing is only a thing because you see it. I'll say that again. Everything you see that is a thing is only a thing because you see it. You see, you have to accept something as real for it to be real for you. Whether that is a thought that you're accepting as real, whether that is an event that you're giving your attention, which is one of your great powers, okay? Whether it is a belief or a belief system that you make real for yourself, every single thing that you see that is a thing is only a thing because you see it. Now, how does this relate to being in harmony with what you want most? Well, when you're able to keep in your mind that which you want most, and keep it in your mind in a way that you can visualize and then emotionalize that visualization. And this is, and I'm going to empower you again, this is a power that you have. Okay? Then you essentially attract and bring into your life that visualization, especially when you master the skill of emotionalizing your visualization. So, how this works, or how it's worked with me. You see, when I was in college, I had experienced heartbreak that was very, very strong. It hurt a lot. And this heartbreak was because my high school sweetheart, me and her had real love. So I experienced real love as early as high school, the end of my high school career. And we were together for like a little more than 2.5 years. And so when that cycle ended and it really set in that there was not going to be any opportunity for me to have that back, I experienced heartbreak that really, really set in deep. But what it did for me was create a burning desire to experience love again, to experience love on a profound and very, very deep and real level again. And for 4 years after this heartbreak set in, I kept this burning desire in me. Of course, I tried and I tried and I tried again to bring into my life, to attract to myself, to do the right things, to bring to myself a love that was real, and I would be very respectful, and I would be very nice, and I would not be overly sexualized in my approach to women. But every single time I either got put in the friend zone, or basically like the few times that I had a title, right, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever you want to call it, it did not work out it did not turn out to be love. It did not turn out to be what I needed it to be for myself, and it did not match up with the vision that I had for what I wanted most for myself in the world. And so what happened eventually is I wanted to give up. I was at a point where I really wanted to just give up the whole thought that I could have love, give up the thought that I was going to find someone that matched my vision. But instead of giving up, I had a thought one day that what I'm going to do is give it like one more try, because after my third time actually having a very short-lived relationship and realizing very quickly that this is not my vision, and I'm quite tired of meeting people that do not fit my vision for what I want and need for myself. That's what led me to want to quit. And so I went back out. I had a musical performance, and I said, you know what, tonight let me just try one more time. And I put in my subconscious, behind my vision and behind this idea to try one more time, a very clear understanding of faith. You see, a burning desire plus perseverance plus faith are all the necessary ingredients for any level of manifestation that you want to bring into your life. Whether you want to manifest a lot of money, you want to manifest a new lifestyle for yourself, you want to manifest another level of health, okay? All you need is these three ingredients: a burning desire, perseverance, faith. Okay, and so I put I really gave myself a high level of faith in this try one more time. And when I went to the performance, I met this great young lady named Tensi. If you've been following this channel, you know exactly who she is. And she was also performing that night. She was singing, and when she sang, she blew the whole place up. It was amazing. Her voice was she had great vocal talent. She was cute. And so I tried, and I succeeded. I manifested within my life, and now what we have together is even beyond what I wanted. She checked off all of my check boxes for what I wanted, and checked off way more. And now we have this business together, and we have this movement where we're trying to bring healing and deep understanding of spirit to the world. And so I want to empower you and say that how to stay in harmony with what you want most for yourself in the world is by holding true to the fact that everything you see that is a thing is only a thing because you see it. Okay? So don't give any attention to what you see that is disharmonious to what you want for yourself in the world. Don't give any importance to anything that you see that is not in line and not in harmony with what you want most for yourself in the world. Do not give any belief to that which is disharmonious to what you want, and watch your life change. Immediately you'll start to see the effects, although a lot of times it's not immediate that we actually get the one thing, the big idea. You'll get lots and lots of stepping stones to the small ideas, because as I look back on my own love story, I notice and I see very clearly that I was being prepared through this 4 years of failure. And when I say, 4 years of failure when it comes to matters of the heart, and you just want to have a wholesome, loving relationship, and you keep giving your love out, that hurts. It hurts bad, okay? But I kept the faith, and I got more than what I wanted. I got more than what I was asking for, and I got something that exceeded all expectations. And the same is true, can be true for you. So, develop a burning desire, and again, not a desire that's just remember, it has to be a win-win-win. A win for you, win for others, and win for universal evolution, okay? And so develop a burning desire. Persevere, meaning act on your desire. Do not simply have the burning desire and then sit and wait and complain that you're not getting what you want from the universe, okay? So act on it, persevere, and have faith that you will receive what you want, and what you will get will be beyond your wildest dreams. Peace and love, y'all. So if you're new to Ufulu Child, make sure you subscribe to get more mind mastery content dropped straight into your YouTube feed. If you enjoyed today's episode of Get Your Mind Right, let me know by clicking that like button, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Peace and love.